My name is K. Sai Chauhan. I am from IT B section. Today I am going to speak about the topic stylized highlights for cartoon rendering and animation. Introduction to stylized highlights. Stylized highlights are essential in cartoon rendering to create a vibrant and engaging visual experience. They enhance the three dimensional of characters and objects. The three dimensions are also known as 3D characters and objects, adding depth and interest. Understanding the principles of stylized highlights can significantly improve animation quality, which means the stylized highlights are also very essential for the improvement of the animation quality and the graphics which are used for the animation. Importance of highlights in animation. Highlights draw main attention to key features of characters and objects, guiding the viewer's focus. Highlights, which are like very, they draw the attentions of the viewers by developing the features like characters, objects, and they guide the viewer's focus toward the highlights. They help to convey different materials such as shiny metals or soft fabrics through reflective qualities. Properly executed highlights can enhance the emotional impact of scenes and character expressions, which means the highlights are the main program of the animation rendering. If the highlights are very effective and well planned, then it can enhance the emotional impact of scenes and character expressions. And the character expressions are very important for the animation. Types of stylized highlights. Soft highlights create a gentle glow that suggests a smooth surface and subtle lighting. Hard highlights are sharp and defined, often used to represent shiny surfaces like grass or polished metal. Gradual highlights blend soft and hard transitions, adding a dynamic quality to the character design, which means there are three types of stylized highlights. Number one, soft highlights. Soft highlights are used to create gentle glow, suggests smooth surface. And the second one is hard highlights, which are very important for the shiny surfaces like grass and polished metal. And the last one is gradual highlights, which are used for the hard transitions, adding a dynamic quality and character design. Color theory in highlights. The choice of highlight color can affect the mood and tune of the animation. Complementary colors can create striking contrasts, making highlights pop against the base color. Understanding color relationships help animators create cohesive and appealing color palettes, which means the color theory in highlights plays an very important role. The choice of highlight color can affect the mood of the animated characters, and it contracts the create striking, making highlights pop against the base color. And by understanding the color relationships, animators create cohesive and appealing color palettes. We have different color palettes: complementary, analogous, triadic, split complementary, tetradic. Techniques for applying highlights. Layering techniques involve stacking multiple highlight layers for a richer effect, which means step by step they increase the layering techniques and involve multiple highlight layers, and the and by doing the stacking multiple highlights layers, it gives a richer effect. Brush techniques can vary from using soft brushes from gentle highlights to hard brushes for sharp reflections. Digital tools often provide customizable opacity and flow settings to achieve desired highlight effects. In the diagram, we can see how to plant propagation by layering and their types. Highlight placement guidelines. Highlights should follow the light source direction to maintain realize in stylized animations. Strategic placement can accentuate character features such as eyes and haze, enhancing expressiveness. Consistency in highlight placement across frames is vital for maintaining visual coherence in animations. Case studies in stylized highlights. Analyzing popular animated films reveals how stylized highlights contribute to their unique visual styles. Case studies of character designs showcase different approaches to highlight application and placement. Learning from successful examples can inspire new techniques and creative solutions in your work. And we can speak about the common mistakes to avoid. Overusing highlights can lead to a cluttered appearance, distracting from the character design. Inconsistent highlight application can break the illusion of continuity in animations. Ignoring the light source and the principles of shading can result in flat and unrealistic visuals. Yes, the light source and the shading are the main for the animation of a picture of any human being or plants or anything. They should use the effect of light, which means where they should shade dark and light. Therefore, the light source and the principle of shading is very important in animation. Tools and software for highlight creation. Various software options such as Adobe Photoshop and Toon Boom Harmony offer tools for creating stylized highlights. In the both Adobe Photoshop and Toon Boom Harmony, I suggest you to use Adobe Photoshop. Personally, I have used it and it is very featured and optional. Custom brushes and textures can enhance the enhance the quality and uniqueness of your highlights. Staying updated with the latest techniques can and software updates can greatly expand your creative possibilities. Conclusion and Conclusion and future trends. Stylized highlights are fundamental aspect of cartoon cartoon rendering. The influences viewer engagement. Future trends may include advancement in AI-driven animation tools that automate highlight application. Embracing new technologies and techniques will continue to evolve the art of animation and rendering. Animation is good. It has hard work of making. At the first step you should make image shading, and you should give effects. Animation, it's very good. It involves very huge process and investment of very large time to animate a movie or a one episode or a 10 minutes video. It's very important to understand the animation hard work, and we should imply the, if you are become you are, if you are willing to become an animator, you should really work hard, and you should understand the components of the animation and what are the principles, so on. So thank you very much.